In the bustling metropolis of San Francisco, where tech innovation never sleeps, the year is 2025, and a digital revolution is at its peak. The air buzzes with conversation about one of the most provocative topics in the tech industry, the fate of web development in the age of AI. Amidst the technological whirlwind stands Sarah Tan, a seasoned front-end developer known for her meticulous eye for detail and creative flair. Sarah has been a part of the web development scene for over a decade, seeing the evolution of frameworks, languages, and paradigms. Now, she finds herself wrestling with the most significant change yet, the rise of AI-driven tools that promise to simplify and automate aspects of her vocation. On a rainy Thursday morning, Sarah attends a panel discussion at a tech conference titled AI versus Front-End Developers. The room is packed with developers, educators, and tech enthusiasts eager to hear experts weigh in on the shifting landscape. As Sarah listens to the arguments, she hears a common refrain: AI can write code faster, debug code more efficiently, and adapt to new patterns quicker than human developers. But Sarah isn't entirely convinced. As she sips her coffee, she reflects on the nuances that AI might miss: the human element of storytelling through design, the empathy infused into user experiences, and the cultural context that AI struggles to grasp. She wonders if the artistry of web development might be lost in translation when machines take the helm. The discussion takes a dramatic turn when a prominent AI researcher mentions that AI will never truly replace humans, but rather serve as a powerful tool to enhance their capabilities. Imagine AI as your co-pilot, he says. It allows you to focus on creativity while it handles the mundane. Sarah feels a glimmer of hope. A vision forms in her mind, a collaborative ecosystem where AI and human developers work side by side, creating unparalleled digital experiences. The audience buzzes with excitement at this prospect, recognizing the potential of combined intelligence. As the event concludes, Sarah steps into the city streets, pondering the future of her profession. She realizes that while AI represents change, it doesn't mark the end, it symbolizes evolution. As she heads home, she smiles, reflecting on her next project where she plans to integrate AI tools to elevate her designs. She knows that although the landscape is changing, her heart remains devoted to the craft she loves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more updates from Front End Hustle.